Go out, Jamey. Y'all get together.
I don't really want to do anything. I want to get in. It's cold.
My God, we are in Virginia, and we have already got 12 inches, and it's still snowing. Look at my 3 freezies out there.
Hi, Mom.
Say hello.
Hello.
All right, y'all walk around.
Why don't you get out here? I am frozen. I cannot walk.
I'm good. Walk closer so I can get y'all closer. I mean, I want you to look at this snow. It is just pouring down, and we've already got 12 inches. They're calling for 19 inches. It's 80% chance of snow the rest of the night. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I had to beg Justin to get out here in the snow. He's just such a wuss. Why don't y'all pick up some snow, Jamey? Have a snowball fight.
I'm doing in.
Pick up some snow, Bridget. Y'all have a snowball fight. Not at me.
I'm doing in.
Wuss.
Come here, Mama. You and Shield. Come here, Mama.
You can't throw it at me. I got the video camera. Look, throw it at him, Bridget.
I was gonna stick it down your shirt.
No, I'm good.
Hey, Justin. You and Shield. No, I'm giving it to you.
Go on, go out, baby.
I'm giving it to you. No. Stick it down Mama's jacket.
See, my dogs are wusses. They don't want to go outside.
I'm giving it to you. Stick down Mama's
They're all
jacket.
just sitting on the porch. We're good.
Huh?
Go hug your girl.
With the snowball.
Look at this snow. Isn't this perfect?
Have a wedding in it.